So,
hola.
As you can see behind us, and I'll show you in front of us in a second.
On time today.
We got here on time and it is packed. Again, at 35% capacity, I cannot imagine what it looks like at full capacity. We'd probably be bumper to bumper like, hi, how are you? Bumper cars. Yeah,
I believe
like
the term
that.
you're looking for is butthole to butthole.
Okay, butthole to butthole.
Anyway. Hey, wait, what parking area were we in? They have Mickey and Minnie.
We're in the big giant van that sticks up over everything. You walk out of the gate, you'll see it.
Anyway.
Yeah.
Look at me. I forgot I had my hat, so now we're just looking classy. Also, I learned my lesson yesterday. Don't go to Disney without pockets. It's really nice to have pockets.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you can see I do.
And you know, fill your bag up, make it heavy.
I just tried to call. I'm guessing it was Liz. I'll take it.
Whoa, okay, that's right.
I love her. She got her Justin. She is channeling her inner Justin Star.
Yep, I am. I was yesterday. We got off of Spaceship Earth, and I saw it was like the movie floors while you're still trying to get out. I was like, wow, the future.
Inside the water.
Echo
And maintain physical distance. Thank you.
Whatever. So we found the area where they do the Indiana Jones stunt show.
Yeah.
That we can't go in because, you know,
It's closed.
COVID.
Well, I don't know if they have a show
something.
going on at a certain point or something. Area. I know that you can go in from over there.
Oh, so this is the backstage. Okay.
Yeah, it says right there.
My bad. It's 1, not 11.
What? Oh,
Is it 1?
Then it might be like an hour or two before we would even.
We'd have to backtrack.
Yeah, we would backtrack or if you want to go this way up and around. But we did want this to be last.
Yes.
I don't know, Chief. Up to you.
I think we'll just
go up
continue this
and
way.
then go back.
Because we can finish out this, then go up and through here, and then we can get around.
So we have figured out that this, so far, has been a whole lot of confusion.
What? Because the park's all like twisty and stuff.
Yeah.
Twisty.
But Nevaeh said it's very vibey, so.
What could possibly go wrong?
I love it.
Hooray, hooray, hooray! Step right up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
I am not hungry, but that smells good.
Get set up.
Whatever you feel like.
Stuff on there.
Gotcha.
Oh, the holiday store. Look at the snowman. I finally got snow for Christmas. I like Hollywood Studios better than Epcot. It's my favorite park.
So far.
Like I think I'm gonna go to Magic Kingdom, and Hollywood Studios is still gonna be my favorite. Which is funny because as a little kid, no interest in it. Look at it, it's so pretty.
Thank you.
I don't like
Kind of
that.
a creepy place.
I don't like how he said enjoy your stay. I feel like I'm actually gonna get stuck in here.
Hey girl, welcome
So,
back.
we are so excited. We decided we had to vlog about it because
Sorry,
that
I'm
was
sleeping
the coolest ride. Okay, let's do this.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah.
It's in the snow theme right now.
I'm fully convinced that the reason why it was so much fun is because you go up super fast.
Yeah,
before
so
you go
okay,
down.
so explanation unless if you've never watched the video. It's like you're here, they put you in the elevator and the guy, it's kind of creepy what they say to you. They're like, enjoy your visit, our beloved guest, stuff like that. I'm like, anyway, I felt like tingle when I said that. Anyway, okay, so you're here, they put you in the elevator, you sit down, strap down, whatever, and then you go up a little bit. It's only like one floor, and it's like you see some creepy stuff going on, family, and they're like, they have magical Palpatine powers with their electric hands. Then you go up, and they're like, and now it's your turn. And then you slowly creep out, and you see like a creepy eyeball and the Backstreet Boys and all sorts of stuff. And it's like, and now you get to know what's in the fifth dimension. Whoosh!
That was a hardcore whoosh there, girl.
Is it okay? Oh, we're good. You just had a little scratch right there. We said, oh my
Here,
gosh,
here, light it. Make sure it lights up still. Good luck. You're in Orlando.
You're in Cal Orlando.
Yep, Cal Orlando.
Florida, the California of the South.